The Fair Debt Collection Practice Act governs the way third-party debt collectors collect debt. The Fair Debt Collection Practice Act, FDCPA, is a federal law that provides limitations on what debt collectors can do when collecting certain types of debt. It prohibits debt collection companies from using abusive, unfair, or deceptive practice to collect debts from you. The FDCPA covers the collection of mortgages, credit cards, medical debts, other debts mainly for personal, family, or household purposes. Under the FDCPA, debt collectors include collection agencies, debt buyers, and lawyers who regularly collect debts as part of their business. There are also companies that buy past due debts from creditors and other businesses and trying to collect them. These debt collectors are also usually called debt collection agencies, debt collection companies, or debt buyers.